Credit score showdown, Experian versus Credit Karma. Ever feel like your credit score is a complete mystery? You check it once, it's good. The next, it dropped mysteriously. What gives? There are actually different credit scores out there, and two big players in the game are Experian and Credit Karma. But which one is more accurate? The answer might surprise you. Building context. Before we dive in, let's take a step back. Your credit score is basically a report card for your financial responsibility. It tells lenders how likely you are to repay a loan. The higher the score, the better the interest rates and loan options you qualify for. There are three major credit bureaus in the U.S., Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Each bureau collects information from lenders and creditors and creates a credit report for you. This report includes details like your payment history, credit utilization, how much credit you're using compared to your limit, and public records. The difference between Experian and Credit Karma. Now, here's where things get interesting. Experian is one of the big three credit bureaus. They create your credit report and calculate a FICO score, which is the most widely used score by lenders, think mortgages, car loans, credit cards. Credit Karma, on the other hand, is a free service that provides you with a Vantage score and credit report information from Equifax and TransUnion, not Experian. Vantage score is a different credit scoring model, and while it's gaining traction, FICO still reigns supreme. Accuracy smackdown. So, which one is more accurate? Here's the key takeaway: both Experian and Credit Karma can be accurate, but they show you different things. Experian shows your actual FICO score, the one lenders use the most. This makes it incredibly valuable when you're applying for credit and want to know where you stand. Credit Karma, however, gives you a free Vantage score and a glimpse into your credit report from two other bureaus. This is fantastic for monitoring your credit health and spotting any errors. The not-so-secret weapon, credit report monitoring. The real winner here might be a combination of both. Use Credit Karma or any other free service that monitors two bureaus to keep an eye on your credit report for errors. Identity theft is a real threat, and catching mistakes early can save you a lot of hassle. Experian's edge, FICO scores, and more. However, when it comes to the score that truly matters to lenders, Experian takes the crown. They offer access to your actual FICO score, along with additional features like credit monitoring and alerts. This can be a paid service, but for some, the peace of mind and access to the most relevant score might be worth it. Don't forget the free annual reports. Here's a bonus tip. You're entitled to a free credit report from each bureau every year. You can request them all at once or stagger them throughout the year to keep a close eye on your credit health. The takeaway, it's all about your needs. So, who wins the Experian versus Credit Karma battle? It depends on your needs. Credit Karma is fantastic for free credit monitoring and a general idea of your credit health. Experian shines when you need the specific FICO score lenders use and additional credit management tools. Call to action. No matter which service you choose, take control of your credit. Monitor your reports regularly, dispute any errors, and build good credit habits. A strong credit score opens doors to financial opportunities, so treat it like the key to your future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.